Hello everyone.
Welcome to Ubri One AI channel.
You're welcome to today's class. In today's class, we're going to learn how to make an account or a page, an admin of another group. How to make an account or a page, an admin of another group. This means that you have a Facebook group and you want your friend to become an admin of the group. So that's what we're going to learn. Let's get over and get started with it. Now, this is my Facebook group, Marketplace, and this is my friend's account. With the Charlie. Now I want you, the Charlie, to be an admin of this my marketplace group. So how do I go about it? For you, the Charlie, to be an admin of marketplace group, you, the Charlie, have to be a member of this group. So first of all, we have to copy the group link, then send it to you, the Charlie. You, the Charlie, will now join the group through the link. How do you copy the group link? You come to here, look at this top where you have the URL. There are two ways of doing that. You copy it here, or you come to where you have share. You can share it here, then copy link. You copy the link there, then you go to where you have the Charlie. You share the link, post the link there. When you post the link there, you, the Charlie, will now join the link. How do you join the link? The group, you click on it. When you click on it, you see join group. Join the group. Now, after joining the group, you go back to the where you have the group earlier. To my account now. So this is where you have it. So you go to where you have people. People here. Look at here. People. You click on people here. Now, when you click on people, you're going to see which Charlie have just joined. You see all the group members here. So you see which Charlie. You click on these three dots. You're going to say invite as admin. Click on them, send invite. Now you come back to this account that you have just joined. What you have to do here is you refresh this account. Refresh it. When you refresh, you are going to see the invite. Look at here. You can see, scroll down, you can see you have been invited. So you accept the invite. Once you accept the invite, you have become an admin of that group. All you need to do is check the group features. You have become a manager of that group and admin. As an admin, you can manage the group, can post, can remove posts, and so on and so forth. So this is how to make an account, an admin of another group. Now, to make a page an admin of another group is still the same process. The only difference is that this one we are staying as an account. If you want to be an admin of a second group as a page, you have to join the group as a page. Join the group as a page. You pass through the same procedures. Just simple as that. So that's how to make an account or a page, an admin of another group. I hope you've learned today. See you in the next